What was that? I am pulling all the glow plugs out because they're not so good. And I broke off 3 of them, so I'm doing the dreaded glow plug replacement job. Luckily I have good tungsten on all of them, so try to snap all the tungstens off and pull them out. So this is what a glow plug looks like. This part gets really hot, helps ignite your fuel. Basically I have 3 of the 6 that broke off right here. So basically removing the end, trying to snap the tungsten off down here, drill them out, and then tap it, slide hammer it out, and hopefully that works. Success, the first tungsten's out, 2 more to go.
15 hours later, first one's out.
Is
If
that
we
kind of
could do all
melt
them
that?
like that, I'd be ecstatic. The tungsten, if you get the tungsten stuck down in there, you can't drill tungsten. So you basically just don't get to have a glow plug in that hole anymore if that happens.
We only had 1 in the first place, so.
Ah, yep. Damn, I really like to see those.
Past tense?
They're icons, I might have a warranty on them. Well, after a week of waiting, I finally got all my new glow plugs. So we're gonna throw these bad boys in here and see if that helps us start. The glow plug's warm.
Is it gonna explode?
No.
My face get ripped off.
So after this, I basically gave up for the day and was feeling pretty frustrated why I wouldn't start. After a lot of diagnosing and trial and error working with Shane from Ben's Injection, we figured out that 2 of the adjustment screws on the pump got messed up during shipping, and I talk about that a little bit in the next clip. So I got it started, and then I came back and kept recording. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you saw, we got some glow plugs in, and we got it started. I spent so much stinking time figuring out what was wrong with this injection pump, and it turned out during shipping that one of the bolts for the adjustment was all sorts of out of funk. And so with lots of help from Ben's Injection, we got that sorted out, and they were super helpful. So got it started. I ended up doing a new TPS sensor that's mounted on the injection pump. And that is significantly better than the one I tried to make. The one I made did not really work out that good, and it's not waterproof. So if it did work, it might not work forever. So we're gonna redo our throttle cables real quick and get the intake manifold on, get everything kind of buttoned up, and check all our fluids and try and go for a test drive.